Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to start my spring cleaning and I'm going to bring you along with me and show you how I break up my spring cleaning chores so it does not seem so overwhelming. I hope you'll get some tips and tricks from me during this video to make your spring cleaning easy and less stressful. So let's go on and get started. For spring cleaning, I like to start upstairs, and in all honesty, it's because it's the easiest. Up here, it's my husband's man cave, which I'm starting in today. It has our kids' 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and then the room where my craft closet is located. And as you can see, I'm dusting down the walls. I like to start from the top to the bottom. That way, if anything falls, I haven't cleaned an area where dust or particles are going to fall on the clean surface. And I'll list all my cleaning supplies and everything that I use down in the description box below if you're interested in anything. If this is your first time watching our videos, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. On our channel, we like to do cleaning, cook with me, thrifting, DIYs on a budget, and a little vlogging. So before you leave today, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel and join us here at Yellow Daisy. In this Dust and Clean Everything, I love this product. It doesn't leave things greasy. It works great on your blinds and baseboards. So here you can see that I'm going through each one of the blades on the blinds and just kind of dusting them off. And for my windows, I usually just use vinegar and water, but I saw that I had this Windex in my cleaning supply, so I just wanted to go on and use it up. And we have the easy tilt out window so you can get the outside and the inside of the windows, and they really do get dirty. We live near a couple farms, and I guess the dust from the dirt and everything, windows get extremely dirty. And don't forget to wipe down your windowsills. They collect so much stuff. For the TV screens, I don't know about you, leave a comment below if you use any type of product on them. I just use a lint-free rag and wipe it down. I don't put any kind of product on those screens. As you can see, my husband has a ton of Miami Dolphin memorabilia. He's been collecting for years. So when we built the house, I had him build these window cornices for me so that we could display all of his Miami treasures and they could be out and in the open. I like to break our house up in sections when I'm doing spring cleaning, just because you do clean a little more than normal, kind of behind furniture, moving things around, cleaning the blinds and windows. So for me, breaking it up makes it a lot easier. So what I'll do is I'll tackle the upstairs first, and then once the upstairs is done, then I go and move downstairs. And once I'm downstairs, I break my house up into 2 to 3 different cleaning segments, depending on how much time I have to be in that area. And this room took me about 2 hours, just so you can kind of have a real time on how long it took me to clean just this one room. I told you they get dirty. Look at that. That's just from the one bottom part of the window. For this bar area for the glasses, I just took a damp paper towel with water and just dusted off those glasses. They get dusty sitting there, so that's what I'm doing here. And as far as the timing of my spring cleaning, when the kids were younger and they were in spring sports, I would do my spring cleaning closer to February, the first part of March, before baseball season started. And now that the kids are grown, I just waited until the weather kind of calmed down a little bit and warmed up so that I could keep the windows open after cleaning it so good and getting the fresh air in. Leave me a comment below and let me know what time of the year you actually do your spring cleaning. Is it more February, March, or do you wait until the weather breaks for you also? During this time, we will also clean out our air conditioner vent filters and change the batteries in all of our smoke detectors. Okay, that's it for my first room of spring cleaning. Be on the lookout for my other videos in this spring cleaning series. My next area will still be upstairs, and I will be tackling a bedroom, the hallway, linen closet, and the bathroom. I really hope that this video has motivated you to start your spring cleaning this weekend. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and until next time, friends, bye-bye.